Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn that how to fix the email not showing images in Android. So first of all you have to just turn off the battery saver mode and open the internet access settings of our mail application. For this you have to just open your Android settings and then scroll down, tap on the app managements and then click on the app settings, and now search here for your Gmail and then tap to open it. After this just click on the battery option here. Here we make sure that no restrictions is selected here. After doing so you have to just move back and then click on the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and turn this option on. Basically we have to just activate both mobile data and the Wi-Fi. After doing so your problem will be fixed and the images will be able to show on your Android. If this method not work for you, then you have to just move to the next method. You have to just open your Play Store, then click on the search bar and search here for the Gmail app. You have to just check that if your Gmail is not updated, then you have to just click to update your Gmail and your problem will be fixed. If after updating your Gmail your problem will not be fixed, then you have to just do the next step. And this is the final solution, that you have to use another email application instead of our phone's email application. For this you have to just search here the mail apps and you will find a lot of the email options here. Now you can select anyone that you want to use in your Android phone. These all are safe. The most logical is the Outmail that you can use in your Android phone. These all are more reliable applications, so you can use any of them. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information you can visit my website, whose link I have shared in my description. So that's all for this video. Give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel at me guide. Thanks for watching.